in music class.
We singed very loud.
This morning, in music class, something funny happened.
Oh, what was it?
The teacher played a new song.
Did you like it?
Yes, we all singed very loud.
Ah, not singed. You should say sang.
Right, we all sang very loud.
That's much better.
What did we learn?
Hello, everyone. Let's review a little. Don't say, we all singed very loud. You should say, we all sang very loud. Remember, sing is an irregular verb. The past tense is sang, not singed. We all singed very loud is wrong. We all sang very loud is correct. Repeat after me. We all sang very loud. Say again. We all sang very loud. Well done. That's good for today. Thanks for watching. See you later.